Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator. Today I'm going to show you how to understand the Elliott Wave in 5 minutes. So what is the Elliott Wave? As you know that the Elliott Wave developed by Ralph Nelson Elliott. So this theory could be applied to trading to help make sense of the repeated pattern that we see time and time again. Recently, Elliott Wave has been talked about more and more by new traders. I have been teaching how to incorporate Elliott Wave into trading for many years now. It is a powerful technique, but it's often misunderstood and incorrectly utilized by the trader. So, what is the Elliott Wave? So the Elliott Wave, they contain of the five-way structure from the bottom and put it to the upside or the other way from the top back to the bottom. So the Elliott Wave was developed to reflect overall investor behavior with price action. It is the great tool for the index and the large cap stock. And the first part of the Elliott Wave is a dominant trend. They contain of the five-way pattern. So on the way number one, so after the market is coming down for a while, and then they be able to find the support, and then they put it up. So that's where the institution, they see the price getting cheap and attractive, and then they put the money into the first way up. So after that, they will pull back down again so that they can get more share. And you know that the number of flowing in the market is only certain numbers. In order to get in with the large amount of the capital, they have to jump it up and buy a couple of times in order to fulfill all the share that they would like to buy. So after the correction here, and then they make it up the way number two, and after way number two done, and then the market is trying to put it stronger. And you can see that when the market be able to put it up here, and then you can hear a lot of good news out there. They talk about the top people jump in, so the crowd out there, they will jump in and join in terms of buying. So this stock will be high demand. They will put it up to the upside. And when the price become extended and more expensive, and then people start selling to take some profit, and then they pull back down to way number four. This is another correction way. And after that, the institution, they will put it one more way to the upside. That's the way number five. This is where you hear all the best news out there in the market. And then a lot of people, the average trader, a lot of fear of missing out. Investor, they will jump in, try to buy and put it back up. This is where institution, they will sell their share to them and then try to get out of the particular stock. And after that, after they finish, they five-way and then no more buyer. Institution already get out. So a lot of people come in late, and you see the market will pull back down. And then after they pull back down, they pull back up, and then they continue to go down. So they confirm another leg of the bear market. So that's very important for you, that you have to know where you're supposed to buy on the Elliott Wave. But the Elliott Wave, it also, people say that the market is fractal. When I say fractal, it means that within a particular way, you also have a smaller way. Let's say within way number one, you also have five-way structure, and then another A, B, C down, depending on what formation they have. And then after that, between 2 and 3, you can see that they will jump it back by the five-way and three-way down, five-way up. And then after that, they will correct to five-way down, three-way up, and five-way down, for example, to complete the ABC. And then you can see even a small sector here from smaller way, you also have a little way inside a bigger way. So you can see that you have to understand the way within way and the Elliott Wave in order to see exactly where you're at. So in order to understand the Elliott Wave, there are a 4 rules here that you have to remember by heart. Number one, way number two should not break below the beginning of way number one. And way number 3 should not be the shortest way among way 1, way 3, and way 5. And way 4 should not overlap with way 1, except for way 1, 5, A, or C with a higher degree. And number 4, rule of alternation. Way 2 and way 4 should not unfold into different waveform. If wave 2 is simple, wave 4 will be complicated. Or wave 2 complicated, wave 4 will be simple. So that's the thing that you need to remember by heart. And you know that the Elliott Wave should never be used by itself, and most of junior traders, typically they get it wrong. Okay, confirmation bias could be a very harmful. The principle also get much more complicated and advanced than what has been shown here. So when you use it correctly, it could help you and guide you in the right direction for your trade. Okay, so learning Elliott Wave by combined with our proprietary tool will help you to count the Elliott Wave correctly. That's what we are doing in Stock Navigator. And let me give you some example here. So if you look at the chart here, this chart here is Alibaba. That's one of the strong stock, China stock, as you can see here. So this stock, they bottom out in October 2nd, 2015. And then they put it up in a 5-way pattern, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then wave 5. And after that, they will collapse to the original price on the October 2nd, 2015. So if you don't know, you buy the stock and then you hold it forever, and that will be trouble, because anything you invest in October 2015, it will be wiped out, so you don't make any money. So that's why the people told you to buy and hold. That's the wrong thinking. That's why I never buy and hold. You have to see what the market doing, and then you stay with the market telling you. So you are not Warren Buffett, buy and hold only for him. For us, we are a trader. We need to make money whatever the market tell you to do. And that's one example. Next example is Baidu. It's also another China stock. You see at bottom after COVID in March 2020. So the stock pull up the last leg at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete the move here, and then it collapsed, and it's cheaper than the price you buy in March 2020. So that's why you see it's very dangerous for you to buy and hold. Next example, you look at the stock at AMD. This stock at also complete 5-way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then they pull back ABC, as you can see. Okay, so that if you buy and hold, you only lose more than 60% of the gain from the bottom to the top already. Another one, for example, like Amazon. Amazon have a good time. They finished it wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and then they also collapse to the ABC pattern also. But you can see that those top, within wave, you can see that, even between wave 2 and wave 3, you can see have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, right? So and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see it 5 more waves inside the bigger wave. Okay, so that's what we call waves inside wave. So that's very important for you that to understand and study the Elliott Wave. You have to know how to count, where to count, what tool you need to do so that you can count them correctly. So in conclusion, as you know, without the right education, the stock market can be a very dangerous place for you to be in. And poor risk management, fear, and greed are the reason why 90% of the new trader and investor fail in the stock market. The expert trader course offered by Stock Navigator will teach you the right education to fit your trading objective to be a successful trader or investor. And we provide technical advanced training program with our proprietary tool to keep you in the right side of the market. And we have a live 24-hour community trading that's where a lot of people helping each other to understand the course material and learn how to trade. So we also have a daily live trading and mentoring section to help our member. Okay, so at Stock Navigator, we mentor and empower our students to operate 100% independently to navigate the stock market with the confidence. So if you want to take in control of your financial future, you can watch the free webinar following the link show more right below. And if you like those kind of video that I have here for you, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can get notified every time we have a new video. Again, thank you for watching, and take care.